Let us see how to find first in compiler design. First of A contains all terminals present in the first place of every string derived by A. Let A is producing three strings. In the first string, the first symbol is A. So first of A will become this A. The second string is starting with the second production is starting with this terminal. So D. In the third production, the first letter is G. So first of A will become ADZ. Now let us see the rules for calculating first. If A produces A alpha, then first of A equal to A. Here this alpha means it may be terminal or non-terminal. If A produces epsilon, then first of A equal to this epsilon. So that means if a production is containing terminal, then first of that A will become that terminal only. Next, if A produces BC, here A is producing two non-terminals, then first of A will become first of B if first of B doesn't contain epsilon. Whereas if first of B contains epsilon, then first of A equal to first of B union first of C. Now let us solve these three examples. Let us see the first example. The smallest one is this non-terminal. Why? Because it is having only one terminal. So let us calculate from down to up. So first of D equal to, so here we have terminal. So the terminal will become the first. First of B equal to B. Here we always calculate the first for this left hand side non-terminal. Then first of A equal to, in this production A, in this production B, in this C. So A comma B comma C. Next, first of S equal to, here we have non-terminal. So we have to calculate first of A. So what is first of A? It was already calculated. A comma B comma C. In this production G. In this production the first symbol is J. So G comma J. Now let's see this example. So first let us calculate for F. First of F equal to, in this production the terminal symbol is left parenthesis. ID is also terminal symbol in this production. ID. Next, in this production star is the terminal symbol. So first of T dash equal to epsilon. In this production here we have star. So star comma star is terminal. Here epsilon. Epsilon is also terminal. First of T equal to first of F. What is first of F? Left parenthesis comma ID. Next, first of E dash equal to, in this production first of T. What is first of T? Left parenthesis comma ID. In this production epsilon. Next, first of A equal to first of T. What is first of T? Left parenthesis comma ID. Now let's see the last example. First let us calculate for first of C. Here we have epsilon E comma F comma. In this production F comma. Here we have epsilon. Here first of B means C comma D comma epsilon. First of A means A comma B comma epsilon. Next, first of S means here we have non-terminal. If the starting one is terminal, then directly we can write that terminal. But here it is starting with non-terminal. So first of S equal to first of A. So what is first of A? A comma B comma epsilon. But we can't write epsilon here. We can substitute epsilon in place of A. In place of A, substitute epsilon. Then the result will become epsilon into BC. That is nothing but BC only. So first of S equal to first of B. What is first of B? C comma D comma. Don't write epsilon here. In place of this B, substitute this epsilon. Then the string will become epsilon into C. That is nothing but C only. Then first of S will become first of C. What is first of C? E comma F comma. Here we have epsilon, but don't write that epsilon here. In place of this C, substitute epsilon. Then the result will become epsilon into epsilon into epsilon. That is nothing but epsilon. So here the first of S is A comma B comma C comma D comma E comma F comma epsilon. So likewise we can solve any example very easily. In the next video we will discuss about follow.